Shay. I'm here for my Walmart midweek haul for you. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay. Shay with the Pow Pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl. So listen, y'all, I need 15 offers for $5. Not really sure if that's gonna happen. If it do, it do. If it don't, it don't. Like, I'm not gonna stress it. But yeah, hopefully we can though, because I don't think I hit my last. Did I hit my last one? Was 5 for $1, so definitely I hit that one. Now I did do some field agent jobs today. Well, in the last few days or so. I think I did 3 today. And so I am working on a video for you guys, because I know a lot of you guys do want to see a field agent video. But let me just pre-warn you guys, I'm only like 6 weeks old. Okay, I'm six weeks old and I don't know everything. So if I put the video out and a lot of you guys that are seasoned, you want to chime in the comments, definitely go for it, because I don't know everything, but I will share with you guys what I know so far with that. But I did do maybe 6 or 7 field agent deals for this haul, and I'm trying to do those to kind of help with my out of pocket, especially if I'm gonna be at the store anyway. So like, why wouldn't I do it, right, if I'm already here? And so yeah, let me mention this though really quick. With Swagbucks, I had a receipt. Well, Swagbucks inbox and ta-da, I had receipts that were processing hella long. Well, longer than it said that it was supposed to be processing, because you know your girl can be a little impatient and stuff. And so I put tickets in. Swagbucks was the Hillshire and the soft soap, and they gave me credit for it, but the receipt processed and it gave me credit again. So like they hit me twice. I was like, cha-ching. But anyway, so if you don't get paid with the apps like when you should, then definitely don't be shy and put a ticket in, because like, you know. And when you get the email they send you, it's like an automatic email they send you. At the very bottom, it tells you that, you know, basically to send in a picture of the receipt, the offer details. Because at first, when I was seeing that, I didn't know nothing of it. I was just like, okay, they got my message. No, they're asking you for information. And if you just bypass it or whatever, you think you're waiting for something, but you're not. Because guess what? They's waiting for you. They's waiting for you. And so with that being said, we're going to head over to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what you can grab, you already know what to do. Hello, hit the like button and keep on watching.
All right, y'all. So this first deal is on the Edwards frozen pies. For this one, it says that you have to buy the strawberry one or the turtle cream one. But I did hear that it also works on the key lime. Just scan it to make sure. But these are on a rollback for $6.16, getting back $5.69 on Ibotta. I also had a 10-cent piece that I was attaching as well, bringing it down to only 37 cents. All right, so next up is the Taipei. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's on these. We got these before. These are so good. I didn't try this one. I think I tried the vegetable one last time. Anyways, this is an offer for Walmart rewards again. So grabbing 2 of them priced at $4.23. You'll pay $8.46, getting back $4.18 for 2 on Walmart rewards, making them $2.14 each. Really quick, y'all. Let me hip y'all to something. These right here are so freaking good. In an air fryer, so freaking good. Make you a chicken sandwich at home. It tastes better than what you would get at like McDonald's or whatever. And they're only like $4.96. So absolutely love these. Got some in the freezer right now. All right, so next up is the Proper Good. This is a free offer on aisle. I'll have a link in the description or Google Doc. So grabbing one at $5.48, you'll get that back, making this absolutely free. And I believe you can get any of the Proper Good meals. And so, yeah. So next up is the Ritz. It's on the peanut butter crackers. They're priced at $4.16 for this. I'm grabbing one of them, getting back $2 on Fetch Reward. 50 cents on Ibotta makes it only $1.66 each. And I think the Fetch offer is limit of 3. I bought a limit of 5. So grab 3 at $1.66 each. Just not necessarily a bad deal. All right, y'all. So next up is the Dawn Power Wash. Now, I do have an OTC payment card from scanning receipts through the P&G Good Every Day. And I will tell y'all, do the surveys, 25 points per survey. I usually do that if I'm really close. But this time I was just like, look, why not? So I think I did like 10. And it got me to where I needed to be to cash out for $5. So If you want to grab the Dawn, they're priced at $5.18. Use that payment card, it'll take off 5. You'll pay 18 cents, getting back $2 through Walmart rewards, making it $1.82 moneymaker. Another option is to grab the Bounce. It's the 105 count, priced at $5. 2 of them is going to be 10. Use that $5 OTC. You'll pay 5 and get back $2 for buying 2 on Walmart rewards, making them $1.50 each. I think I'm going to grab this because this is the one that Joseph uses, and so we're going to stock him up. So next up is this Suavitel. I'm going to grab this deal again. I think I did it in my last video. I think I'm going to max it out this time though and grab 4 of them. They're priced at $4.47. So if you want to grab 2, you'll pay $8.94, getting back $3 for buying 2 on Swagbucks. There's also a total of $3.50 back on checkout 51, making them only $122. The Tide Pods, they're priced at $4.88. So 2 of them is going to be $9.76. Again, use that $5 payment card. That'll bring the total down to $4.76, getting back $2 for buying 2 on Walmart rewards would make that $1.38 each. So here we are with the Purcell, priced at $5.44. $2 hang tag that I found at Target would bring that total down to paying $3.44. Getting back to on Ibotta would make it $1.44. I know we do have an offer on Veggie Board. I think it's a spend 30 offer. I'll pop it up. That will track towards as well, and of course it does exclude the value of the coupon. So next up is the Ajax. This is on the 28 fluid ounce. It's priced at $2.74. We have an offer on Ibotta for $8, bringing that down to only $1.74. I came all the way to the store to do a field agent on the soft soap, the little seasonal ones. I'm gonna have to check and see if I can find it somewhere else. For this one, you have to grab. Oh, they're 106 here too, which is even cheaper than I expected. For this, you have to grab the Sweet Pea one, I think it's called. 106. And field agent's paying you $2, so you get back $3.06. Makes it a $2 moneymaker. Now with field agent, if you get to the store that you're supposed to go to and they don't have it, you can still go through the survey and just click that if they didn't have it, and you'll still get paid for coming. So I noticed that the offer on checkout 51 popped back up for the soft soap refills. They're priced at $5.97. Now we don't have the offer on Ibotta anymore, so grabbing 2 of them, you'll pay $11.94. Getting back 5 on Easy Bucks, $3 on checkout 51 makes them $1.97 each, which is not necessarily a bad deal considering they're normally like $6. And so, right, yeah. So next up is the Eucerin. I'm gonna do this deal again, priced at $9.87. It's been working for me. I think I've done it like 3 times already, getting back $3 on Ibotta, 3 on checkout 51, and 3 on one of the sister apps makes this only 97 cents. All right, y'all. So next up is the little critters. Now for this one, you could either grab the Paw Patrol one, the Frozen one, or this one here. For this, we're going to be grabbing a total of 2 of them. Again, priced at $5.23. You'll end up paying $10.46. You'll get back $9 for buying 2 on Swagbucks. Makes them 73 cents each. Next up is the Hello. Now I did find more of these on clearance. I went to the same store and basically just grabbed another 3 sets total. And I'll pop up the ones that were on clearance for $2.50. So for this, I grabbed 4 of them, paying $10, getting back $8 on Ta-Da, and then $5 on checkout 51. So it's gonna make all 4 of them free plus $3 moneymaker. Right, so this deal here I shared in the last video on the dial. Now we have offers on Ibotta for each of them. The Healthy Hydration is priced at $5.22. Now I'm going to be using this $2 hang tag right here that I found like probably a month ago or so. That's going to bring the total down to $3.22. It makes it 97 cents each. Now I'm not sure if this same one would work on this one here. It's priced at $3.97. So if it does work, you'll pay $1.97. Getting back $1.50 on Ibotta will make it 47 cents. So I'll let you know if it works out. All right, y'all. So here is my complete haul for today. So listen, this worked out amazing. All right. Doesn't look like, well, no, I guess it does look like a lot. Some of this stuff I know I could have did without, but I figured since I had a little bit of money that I was working with from Field Agent, I hadn't cashed out in PayPal in a while, so I cashed out there. I think that was $25, and then I hadn't cashed out for Brandclub, which was another $17. One of you guys asked if Brandclub was still a thing. It is for me. I mean, I do 3 surveys most days. I mean, right now for me, because I do them so frequently, it's only like 30-35 cents, but it does add up. And then I always make sure that I sync my Brandclub account as well. And I always get something there as well. So yes, it's still a thing for me. The coupon for the dial, that $2 hang tag, it did work on both of those. I wasn't sure if it was going to work on the regular one because it said healthy hydration, but it did work for me. I did go to self-checkout. I used 4 of the Purcell coupons. Those scanned perfectly fine. This was my first time using those. Again, I got those from Target. The deal I did at Target, I grabbed the little spoons again. I got 2 of the strawberry banana ones and 2 of the berry one. And it glitched again on Social Nature for Joseph's account. And I got back, instead of getting back 314 times 2, I got back 314 times 5. So I got back a total of $15.70 for that. Plus I did hit an offer on Fetch Award for $3. I probably should have grabbed a couple more because I'm super close to getting back another $3. I'll probably do that next time I go. And then what else? 75 cents back from each on Ibotta. So it made those 4 a $9.14 moneymaker. I also grabbed the Slate protein, ultra protein, 2 for $5, back for each on Ibotta, and buy one get one free offer on aisle. Now originally it said that I got the wrong product because of how it read on the receipt. I honestly just text them a picture of the items that I got, and they credit me the $2.50 for that. So it made those 25 cents each. What else? Other than that, y'all, that's basically it. I did do the Old Spice twice for this haul. It hasn't reset yet. It maybe it's done now because I think I got it yesterday around 11 and it hasn't reset yet. And normally if your offer resets, it's going to reset every 24 hours. And so we'll see what happens with that. Everything you see here retails $148.42. $12 in coupons brought the out of pocket down to $136.42. And then getting back $40.04 from Ibotta. I needed one more offer, you guys. I ended up just doing a gift card. A field agent is $32.50. Easy Bucks, $27. PayPal was $25.02. Checkout 51, $22. Brandclub was $17.09. Social Nature, $15.70. Swagbucks, I am counting the $13 that I got back extra. All right, so 13 there. My Plains and Tada were both $8. Fetch Reward was $6. Upromise and Inbox dollars both was $4. And last but not least was $2.50 for aisles. So getting back a total of $224.85 in rebates. Makes everything you see here free. I can't even talk. Makes everything you see here free plus an $88.43 moneymaker, you guys. I wanted to make it back to Target to do a household deal. I figured I could roll that some of that money back into a household deal because like we have no more trash bags. I still have some from when it was working at Dollar Tree a long time ago. Remember, it was like what, 5 or 6 in a box. I'm down to using those. I have run through all of the ones I got from CVS when things were glitching there. And so I need to start stocking up on household products. I think that Target would be a great place. And so I'm going to try to see if I can make it there maybe tomorrow and see if I can do a household deal. And so with that being said, if you made it to the end, I appreciate you watching. I want to see a bear emoji in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.